Hey everyone, it's Jennifer, and for today's video I'm just showing you how I got this look. It's just very purpley, very soft look, nothing dramatic at all, paired with a very peachy nudie lip. So I hope that you guys like this video. And yeah, so the palette that I used towards the end of the video, you guys won't see it because my battery died, but I used from this Kinky Looks palette, I used the purpley shimmery color, which looks like this, and I just kind of topped that over the eyeshadow really towards the end. That's all I did, packed it right on the middle, and this is the final look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Hey everyone, so don't mind my voice, I feel like I'm getting a little sick. First thing I'm going to use is the primer, and this is e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. This is new to me. This was literally a few dollars. As you guys know, e.l.f. is really affordable, so I really wanted to try this out because I'm in a mission to find something for oily skin. So if you guys recommend something for oily skin, that will be awesome. For foundation, we're using the foundation from the Healthy Foundation from Physicians Formula. I said foundation like 10 times. And this has SPF 20, and this is in the color DW2. No name in specific, just DW2. For concealer, we're using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using two colors. I'm using Nude and Pure Beige together. I squeezed a lot out of this, so try not to squeeze so much, but yeah. Beauty blender. If you guys hear some like noise, some like pushing noise or some weird noise, it's because I'm washing my clothes, so it just makes some really loud noises. For our like contour shade, we're using the LA Girl as well, and we're gonna be using the color Toast. I don't like to go too hardcore on this because this is pretty dark, so just want to do just a little bit. Good enough for me. Again, and I'm just gonna use the bottom part of it. This blends in really fast. It does not take that long to actually like blend out, so that's really good. And these are really affordable concealers too. Okay, so when I got the e.l.f. primer, I also just decided to get like a bronzer from them, and online the shades are a little off color because when I got this is in the color Constantly Bronzed. This is very orange. I was thinking of putting it on top of this just to see how it'll look, so that's just what we're gonna do. If it's too orange, then you guys are already aware, but yeah, let's just try it out. I haven't even tried it out. I just honestly opened it and saw that it was orange and I haven't used it, so let's just, I guess, see how I perform. So I'm just trying to get the fluffiest brush possible so I don't get too much concentrated bronzer on here. So I don't think it looks that bad. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. On my mirror, it looks fine. Maybe it's coming across either really orange or not orange at all on the camera, but I think it looks okay. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Airspun, and this is the translucent one. Translucent. Every time I open powders, they get everywhere, and it's kind of annoying because it gets on whatever I'm wearing. So yeah, same sponge, multi-use. So I'm gonna put that under my eye, and I'm also gonna carve out my bronzer slash contour, whatever, just to perfect the line. So I'm just gonna take one of my BEIGE cosmetic brushes. These are like the best. They last so long and they're super affordable, so I really like them. I'm gonna brush this off. This was actually one of my first palettes that I got when I started wearing makeup. I don't know, this is probably unhygienic for some people, but I still have this palette. I think I got this 3 years ago or 4 years ago. I'm honestly not really sure, but I got this a few years ago and it's still going strong. It's still powdery. Some eyeshadows are a little hard, but Coastel Scents is a very affordable makeup line, like if you're first starting or if you don't want to spend a lot of money on makeup period. And it works very well. The colors are pigmented, as you can see. Look at all this colors. So it's a lot. I think there's 120. No, there's 88 eyeshadow colors in here. So yeah, I'm gonna use the purples from here, but I'm going to use like the transition shade. I'm just gonna use another palette. You know what? Let's just use everything from here. You know what? Forget it. Let's just use everything from here. I wanted to use another palette, but let's just do everything on the same palette. So it's gonna be a little hard to show you guys the color I'm gonna be using because this is so little. But like the actual colors are really little. So I'm just gonna be around this area. I'm gonna use one of these here, maybe like these two as like a transition color. So just like these are like more orangey tones, so I'm just gonna probably like gather all these three together and just pack it on. So I'm just gonna grab like a brownish color. I don't want to go too dark, so I'm just gonna get like maybe this one and mix it up with the one next to it. So now for the fun part, I'm taking this super tiny, it's like a sample from the Tarte, this is the Shape Tape. Oh my god, I always forget. This is the Shape Tape concealer, but it's like the mini version. I got it in the Ipsy Glam bag, so I'm just gonna use this. And this we're just gonna kind of like do like a cut crease thing going on. So I'm still trying to perfect my cut crease, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply that on my eyelids and we're gonna go in with the purple. And you guys already know with this concealer, a little bit goes a long way. So I was watching, I forgot what's her name. I honestly forgot. I shouldn't forget because she's such a big YouTuber. I'm gonna put her name here because I completely forgot. She says that to do the cut crease, the way to get the line is putting concealer on your eyelids and looking up, and wherever it touches, that's where you start your cut crease. So where mine touched would be this kind of part right here. I hope you guys can see it, and that's just kind of where I'm gonna start. So honestly, I don't think we need to set it. I'm not gonna set it. Should I set it? No. The purples I'm gonna use is these two right here. I think they're perfect. And they don't have any names, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. Transition color, I'm gonna go around with that. And then back to that first brown. And then back to that first brush. So what I'm gonna do is grab my favorite palette. I have a lot of favorite palettes, but I'm gonna grab the Mars palette and I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. This is the color, man, I don't know how to read this, Detour. So I'm gonna use that as actually like a highlight shade for my brow bone, and I'm also gonna use it as a highlighter as well. I love that shade, it's so beautiful. And I'm gonna use it for the inner corners of my eye as well. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I'm just gonna use the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in Cool Cocoa, and also on top of that as a brow gel, I'm using the MILANI EYEBROW Fiber Gel, and this is in the color 03 Medium Brown. Okay, so eyebrows are on, and what I'm gonna do is put mascara on, and I'm also gonna use the Ardell lashes. Where are they? Okay, they're right here. I'm gonna use the Ardell lashes, and this is the Wispies. I love these, they look so beautiful. So this will just take a few seconds. Okay, so this is the kind of the final look. I'm still missing a few things, but I did my eyebrows. I put that highlighter on my brow bone, the inner corner of my eye. I filled in the bottom lash line with some of the brown, and put falsies on. Ardell, the best. And yeah, so I just put some mascara underneath. That's pretty much all I've done. And I just realized I forgot to put blush. So I'm gonna put some blush on, and the one I'm gonna use is my fave, one of my faves, the Milani one, and this is the color 08 Coralina. It's the baked blushes. They're so good. Gonna get that same highlighter and actually put it on my, as a highlighter, my highlight bone. We're almost done, so we're just gonna put some lipstick on, and because I have like purple on my eyes, it looks kind of smoky, I'm gonna do something very light on my lips. So with the palette that I'm gonna use is this one right here from Ish. I guess this is the brand name Ish, but on the back it's hashtag smoking hot. I'm gonna use this roll up here, and we're just gonna mix some colors together to get like a nice peachy and very light color. I really like how it came out. I hope you guys like it too. And yeah, if you guys like this video, then just thumbs up, give a thumbs up, give a like, and then the bottom. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye.